So I couldn't find a big bag for this blanket that I made for charity. Actually, I could, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. So being cheap, I went to the dollar store and bought two small bags. I decided to convert them into two to one big one. So what I did was cut down the size of both bags and the bottom. Once they're flat, you lay one on top of the other and you tape down the sides. Just overlap it a little bit just to get a little lip on it, and tape several times to make it really sturdy. If you don't have good tape, just keep doing this maybe 3 or 4 times. Then you flip it over and you do the same thing on the other side. And here I am just taping away. I don't want it to fall apart, of course. Okay, once you do that, you put it together and make a bottom, and you tape that down as well, keeping a little lip on the edge of the bag so when you turn it over, you can fold over the tape. I also did this several times. Once you do that, cut this little area off, these little sticky tabs. You don't need them, save them, maybe you need them later. It's still tape. I don't need them for this. Then you just turn it over onto the right side and voila. You have a bigger bag. If you have any holes anywhere on the outside, just tape those up. And now I have a bag that I can put my blanket in and send to charity for $2.50.